Have you ever dreamt of strolling along the charming streets of France, indulging in exquisite cuisine that dances on your taste buds? Well, today, pack your bags and join us on a tantalizing journey as we explore travel and dining in France. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the delectable delights of French cuisine, we're about to embark on a visual feast. But before we take off on this gastronomic adventure, make sure to hit that like button if you're ready for a virtual escape. Share this video with your fellow travel and food enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Now, let's uncover the magic of France, one delicious bite at a time. Are you ready to experience the beauty and flavors of this enchanting country? Let's begin. Our journey begins in the City of Lights, Paris. Home to the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris is a must-visit for any traveler. But beyond its iconic landmarks, Paris is also a city of hidden gems, charming neighborhoods, and world-class cuisine. Dining in Paris, a culinary odyssey. When it comes to culinary delights, Paris stands as a gastronomic paradise for food enthusiasts. The city boasts an array of dining experiences, ranging from cozy traditional French bistros to the pinnacle of culinary excellence in Michelin-starred restaurants. Parisian cuisine invites you to indulge in iconic dishes such as coq au vin, a flavorful chicken stew braised in red wine, the classic steak frite, and the delectable world of crepes. And let's not forget the sweet finale. No trip to Paris is complete without savoring the buttery layers of the city's famous croissants and indulging in a variety of pastries that showcase the artistry of French patisseries. Beyond Paris, exploring the culinary tapestry of France. While Paris holds a special place in the heart of foodies, venturing beyond its culinary epicenter unveils the diverse and rich tapestry of French gastronomy. From the enchanting villages of Provence, where local flavors and Provençal herbs dance on the palate, to the sun-kissed beaches of the Côte d'Azur, where seafood delights and Mediterranean influences take center stage, France beckons with a myriad of culinary experiences. Each region boasts its own specialties, allowing visitors to embark on a gastronomic journey that transcends the confines of the capital city. Whether savoring the hearty Alsatian cuisine, the maritime delights of Marseille, or the exquisite wines of Bordeaux, the culinary landscape of France is a mosaic of flavors waiting to be explored. The French culinary experience. Dining in France is not just a mere act of sustenance. It's an enchanting symphony that engages all the senses, inviting you to partake in the unparalleled artistry of French culinary culture. Revered globally for its sophistication, meticulous attention to detail, and an expansive palette of flavors, French cuisine is a celebration that transcends the ordinary act of eating. Join us as we embark on an immersive journey through the very heart of this captivating culinary tapestry, exploring French markets. To truly comprehend the essence of French living, immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of local markets. Walk alongside us through bustling marketplaces adorned with a kaleidoscope of farm-fresh vegetables, fragrant herbs, artisanal cheeses, and irresistible pastries. This is not merely a shopping trip. It's a sensory odyssey that introduces you to the very soul of French gastronomy. The marketplaces, with their lively atmosphere and abundance of fresh produce, are a testament to the French commitment to quality and the art of living. Iconic French dishes. As we ascend to the crescendo of our culinary journey, let's unravel the layers of iconic French dishes that transform the act of dining into an exquisite art form. From the delicately prepared escargot, enticing the palate with its unique texture and garlic-infused charm, to the robust and comforting coq au vin, where each tender bite is a journey through the vineyards of French culinary history. The simple yet profound pleasure of tearing into a freshly baked baguette, paired with artisanal cheeses, embodies the essence of French savoir-faire. Finally, the grand finale, crème brûlée, a decadent dance of caramelized sugar and velvety custard, epitomizing the sweet elegance that defines French desserts. Each dish is a carefully orchestrated masterpiece, a testament to the centuries-old culinary craftsmanship that continues to captivate hearts and palates. Bon appétit! Prepare to have your taste buds waltz through a symphony of flavors where every dish tells a story of tradition, innovation, and the love affair between the French and their food. Dining etiquette and culture. Dining in France is not just about what's on the plate. It's an art, a celebration of life, and a moment to savor. Join us as we explore the nuances of French dining etiquette, from the joy of sharing meals with friends and family to the importance of savoring every bite. It's a cultural experience that goes beyond the culinary delights. Provide insights into French dining etiquette, emphasizing the importance of leisurely meals, the appreciation of good company, and the enjoyment of quality food and wine. Showcase dining experiences in charming bistros and elegant restaurants, capturing the essence of the French lifestyle. Hidden gems and culinary adventures. While exploring the well-known culinary hotspots is a must, France is also home to hidden gems and unique culinary adventures. Join us as we venture off the beaten path, uncovering charming bistros tucked away in narrow streets, family-run vineyards producing exquisite wines, and unexpected gastronomic delights that only the locals know. Showcase lesser-known culinary destinations, capturing the authenticity of local experiences. Interview passionate locals who share their stories and the secrets of their culinary craft. Encourage viewers to explore beyond the touristy spots for a genuine taste of France. Our journey through the culinary wonders of France has come to an end. From the bustling markets to the quaint bistros, we've only scratched the surface of what this beautiful country has to offer. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel and culinary content, and leave a comment sharing your favorite French dish or travel tip. Until next time, au revoir and happy travels!